Welcome to Smarty channel. There are so many channels on YouTube which give you very little information about Vedic Maths. Is there any channel by following which you can learn all the tricks of Vedic Maths? This is a $1 billion question. The answer to this question is Smarty channel. This is one channel by following which you can learn all the tricks and trades of Vedic Maths. Good morning everyone. This is Mr. Krishna. Today I have brought to you a smart trick by using which you can do complex calculation. So let's start the session. So on your screen you can see two numbers 21 and 31. So today I will show you a trick by using which you can multiply numbers which are ending with 1, that is numbers which are having 1 in the units place. So here if you see, first numbers are 21 and 31. So first step is write 1 on the right side. So 1 always, after multiplying two numbers which are ending with 1, the answer will also contain 1 in the units place. So we got the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion of the answer, you have 2 in the tens place and 3 in the tens place. So you add 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. This will give you the middle portion of the answer. Now to find out the left portion of the answer, you have 2 and 3 in the tens place of both the numbers. Now instead of adding 2 and 3, you multiply 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is equal to 6. This will give you the left portion of the answer. So answer is 651. So 21 into 31 is equal to 651. This is as simple as this. Now let us solve another problem. We have another two numbers 41 and 51. Okay. Now these two numbers are also similar to previous numbers. They are ending with 1. So put 1 in the right side, right portion. Put 1 in the right portion. It will give you the right portion of the answer. Now you have 4 and 5 in the tens place of both the numbers. So add 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So this you got the middle portion of the answer. Now to get the left portion of the answer, you have 4 and 5. Now instead of adding 4 and 5, you multiply 4 and 5. 4 into 5 is 20. So 20, 91. This is the required answer. So 41 into 51 is equal to 20, 91. So now let's solve a few more problems. Let's take another number 61 into 81. 61 into 81. So even these two numbers are ending with number 1. So write 1 as it is on the right side. Now 6 plus 8. If you see 6 plus 8, it is 14. 14 is a 2-digit number, but we don't want 2-digit number. We cannot put 2-digit number. So we will put 4 here and we will borrow 1 and carry over 1 to the left side number. Now 6, we have 6 and 8 in the tens place. 6 into 8 is 48. 6 into 8 is 48. 48 plus carry 1 will give you 49. So type 49. This is your required answer. So 61 into 81 is equal to 4941. It is as simple as this. Now let us solve another problem. We have two numbers 91. We have two numbers 91 and 71. Okay, just a minute. We have two numbers 91 and 71. So to get the right portion of the answer, put 1 as it is. Now 9 plus 7 is 16, but 16 is a 2-digit number. So we'll take only 6 and we'll borrow 1. Now 9 into, we have to multiply 9 and 7. 9 into 7, 7 nines are 63. 63 plus 1 carry will give you 64. So 6461 is the required answer. So 6461 is the required answer. Like this you can solve any number of problems. Now let us take a 3-digit number and 2-digit number and multiply them. So the procedure is the same. The procedure is one and the same. So let us solve it. So let us solve this. Yes. Now because 1 is there in the units place of both the numbers, put 1 in the units place. To get the middle portion of the answer, you have 13 on the left in the tens place. You have 13 in the first number. Add 13 to 2 in the second number. That is, in second number you have 2 in the tens place and you have 13 in the first number. So add 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2 is 15. Because 15 is a double-digit number, type 5, put 5 and borrow, carry over 1. Now we have 13 and 2. 13 2s are multiply 13 and 2. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus carry over 1. That is 27. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Another problem, 3-digit number into 2-digit number. You have 171 into 51. So put 1 in the right portion of the answer. Now to get the middle portion, 17 plus 5. 17 plus 5 is 22. Put 2 and carry over 2. Put 2 and carry over 2. Now 17 into 5 is 85. 85 plus carry over 2 will be 87. So this is your answer. So this is your required answer. 8721 is the required answer. So 171 into 51 is equal to 8721. Okay, now let us solve another problem. We have a 3-digit number called 231 and a 2-digit number called 31. So both the numbers are ending with 1. So put 1 in the right portion of the answer. To get the middle portion, you add 23 and 3. 23 plus 3 is 26. But you cannot take 26. So put 6 here and carry over 2. Now 23 into 3 is 69. 23 into 3 is 69. 69 plus 2 will give you 71. So put 71 here. So the required answer is 7161. It's as simple as this. So like this you can solve any number of problems. Let us solve another problem. 421 into 51. 421 into 51. So 1 in the units place as it is. To get the middle portion, 42 plus 5 is 47. So put 7 and carry over 4. 42 into 5. 42 into 5 is 200 plus 410. 410 plus 4 carry over. 410 plus 4 carry over. 414. That will be 414. Let me check this once. 1 for 7, 4 carry. 42 into 5 is 200, 210. Yes, 210 plus 4. 210 plus 4 is 214. Sorry, it's not 214. So this is the required answer. This is the required. It's as simple as this. So the answer is 21,471. Sorry. There is a small mistake. Let me do it once again. So 1 in the units place. So 1 in the units place. For 42 plus 5 is 47. So put 7 and 4 carry. 42 into 5 is 210. 210 plus 4 is 214. So 214. This is the correct answer. 21,471 is the correct answer. So like this you can solve any number of problems. Like this you can solve any number of problems. If you have really liked today's video and if you want me to come with more such videos, please don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and click on bell button to like my channel. So this is in future I will be coming with more such videos. So thank you for patiently watching my video. Have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.